Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'll show you how to fix the backup not complete or last backup isn't known on WhatsApp on iPhone. So this usually will happen when iCloud or WhatsApp cannot complete the backup. It's not a bug, you just need to check your settings in storage. So once you go and open your settings as example, you can go to your settings, click on settings. From here, you can go and click on chats as example. Here basically you find the backup, and here's where you should have normally the error. So how can you fix it? Of course, you have, I'll show you an example, some steps or a list that you'll have to go one by one, and normally it should fix the problem. You can mention below in the comments which option like fixed your problem, so I can know what problem did you have. And if none of them fixes your problem, make sure to mention it in the comments as well, so I can know if I'll need to make another video. So let's start by checking the iCloud storage. Go and open the iPhone settings, click on your name. From here, make sure to go and click on iCloud. As you can see for me on my iCloud, I do have 1.2 of 5 gigabytes. So I do have enough, first of all, storage in my iCloud. Also, you would like to check or to make sure that the iCloud drive is on, it's not off. You can scroll down and make sure the WhatsApp is allowed to use iCloud as well. So you can find out that in the saved to iCloud. As you can see, you can go and click on see all, scroll down until you find WhatsApp. If it's off, make sure to turn it on. Now, you can also check the WhatsApp backup settings. Of course, as I said, make sure that you have enough storage. As I said, if you don't have enough, you can try to free up some space if needed by deleting some old backups or files. As an example, if you don't have enough space for your WhatsApp backup. Now, let's just go back to WhatsApp, as we said. And now let me just go and access settings. As I said, click on chats. From here, you can go and click on chats backup. You can go and click on backup now. If it fails, try turning off the iCloud backup for WhatsApp, then turning it back on. This simple thing, turning it off and off, fixes sometimes that problem. So normally this is the usual problems is just storage, or if you are not enabling the iCloud to access your WhatsApp. Other than that, you can try, as example, updating your apps or iOS. Make sure that your iOS or iOS and WhatsApp are up to date. You can go to the App Store, look for WhatsApp and make sure it's updated. Also, the same will be for your iOS. And if nothing works, you can just try the old style, which is try to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the iCloud sync issues. So yeah, if one of these things fixes your problem, make sure to mention it down in the comments so I can know. And if none of them does, make sure to mention the exact problem that you face or the exact error that you face, and let's just try to fix it together. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.